The right arm down, look for the bike, brother. I don't want about this.
My bike.
I brand new bike, boy. You look for my bike, I'm running to my bike, on my bike. Oh, that God, I want this spot. I want this spot, my bike. When I look for one more, look for the dog, I have one man for the bike.
Look on the man face good. The man in the white will lean up on the wall, will say, make we go to insurance company and so on. You know, see, said the man want laugh. The man is actually smiling because of how him see the biker acting. Like, the biker actually a push tears. You know, the biker is crying extremely, and the man leaning on the wall is like, the man want laugh. Me I tell you the truth, me can see it on his face saying want laugh, you know what I mean? But we can't really make joke all of this because, you know, and everybody can afford the expensive things in life, you know. This biker man probably take all year and hard to save up the little change for go buy one bike, and then as he get the bike it mash up in a month, it a go hurt him. You know me I said to you, it a go hurt him. So we have to really look on film side of the story, you see me I say, but I tell you, that world that we live in where all different kind of people just make it fun. You see me I say? It just make it just nice. We live in a wonderful world, you know. You know, and the biker, me I tell you the truth, biker, we can't dwell on the material things. You have to give thanks that you're still alive and everything is well, you know what I mean? So, me know you hurt, so you lose a thing, but just give thanks, everything alright. Alright? And everybody just let me know what you think, alright? Is the man in the white laughing? Just tell me if it is true, right? And as always, don't forget to leave your views clearly that I can understand you. Don't be too harsh, alright? My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.